Hello there. This video will show you how to check that you are being credited from the links that are in the books that your readers are downloading. So to get started, I'm going to go to the tutorials page. This link right here is the one that we send people to when we promote this system for you. It's also the link that you should send people to, and this link is completely unique to you. This is how we can track the system and put your ClickBank nickname into the books. So I'm logged into my own demo account here, so my little code at the end is number 29. Yours of course is going to be different. Now I'm going to take that and paste it into a new page. So the page that comes up is the one that people would arrive at if they clicked on that link. Now my ClickBank ID for this account is PDAFF, so PDF. So that should show up on the ClickBank order processing page. So first of all, I'm going to go to one of these links down the side. I'm going to scroll all the way to the bottom, click on the order button, and we'll see here this is where the customer would make their payment. At the bottom of this page, you'll see it says affiliate equals PDAFF, so I know I'm going to get the credit for that. If you go through that process, you should see your ClickBank ID there. If your ClickBank ID is not showing, there's a couple of reasons for this. The first reason might be you've not sent people to the correct address. You've got to make sure that the number is on the end of the address you're sending people to. The second reason might be that you haven't entered your ClickBank nickname in here on the edit account page, or you've made a mistake when you're entering it. If your ClickBank nickname isn't correct, so that's not in ClickBank's database, perhaps you've got a typo when you were creating your ClickBank nickname, then it would default to one that isn't yours. So you've got to make sure that you put the correct ClickBank nickname in here and it's spelled correctly. The other thing might be your payment has lapsed through Auto Affiliate program. If you cancel your membership, or if your payment is stopped for whatever reason, then your ClickBank ID will no longer show up. It would redirect to a default one, so you need to make sure you maintain your payments. It's also worth saying, I know that some people join this program without paying at all. So if you're one of the people that have done that, you found a link to the registration page, which I do know people share. Our system checks to make sure that you are a paying member, and if you're not, it will take your ClickBank nickname out of this. So if you are trying to promote this system without being a paid subscriber, it won't get you anywhere. All you'll actually be doing is promoting our default account. So thank you for your promotional efforts, because you'll be putting money in our pockets, but please do stop doing that. If you want to promote this system, make sure you are a paid subscriber. So that's kind of like how to check that the system's working for you. But if I just go back to the free book of the day website for a moment, we want to check that the links are working inside these books. So if I click on one of these, that's going to download to my computer. I'm on a Mac, so it's going to open automatically for me. Just going to drag that into view, and all the links inside here of course are going to be branded. So if I click on one of these, it's going to open up a website.
Hi, my name is Brad Callan, and in this video I'm going to show you...
I'm just going to stop that guy from talking. So it's opened up this website promoting a product. If I click on the order button, it takes me over to ClickBank where the order can be processed. And if I go to the bottom, it says affiliate equals PDAFF, just like before, which shows I'm going to get the credit. I want to talk about this part just here, AutoAff Pro. This is a tracking code. You'll see in your ClickBank account, they call it a TID code, a tracking ID. This, you can put anything you like into a tracking ID, and it enables you to just check the effectiveness of your advertising. So any product that is purchased by one of your customers that have read one of your free books that you've given away will automatically have this tracking ID in it, AutoAff Pro. So when you check your sales in ClickBank, you know that that sale came from you giving a book away. If you are promoting that same ClickBank product somewhere else, you can put in your own tracking ID, so you can see what works and what doesn't work for you. So that kind of explains what's going on there. But what you really need to make sure is right here, it has your ClickBank ID. If that's your ID, you're going to get credit for the sale. If it's not your ID, then you need to go into your account and make sure that's in there. And if your payment has lapsed and it's defaulting to something different, you need to get in touch with us and let us know, because we can put you back into our database. If your payment does lapse and your ID is removed from the system, and then later you want to rejoin the system, any book that you've previously given away, which has got your ID in it, that will be reactivated. So if you give away thousands of books and then for whatever reason your payment goes down and you get taken off the system, if within the next few days you get yourself back in there, or even within the next few years, any book that you've given away in the past will become active again for you, so you don't have to worry about that. As long as we've got your ID inside our database and you're a paid subscriber, any book that you have given away ever is going to work for you. But if you try and give away books without being a fully paid up member of Auto Affiliate Program, our system will extract your ClickBank ID from that and replace it with a different one, so please don't do that. Right, that's it. So hopefully this explains for you how you can check that your ID is indeed working. You take care and have a great day.